Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes CxUIUSvc causing 100 CPU usage fix for Windows 10, 11. First method is update driver. Second method is uninstall audio driver. Third method is change service settings. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.